Let's make air fryer spicy mushroom dipping sauce. In Lao we call Jeow Het. This dish is spicy, it's salty, and it's umami. Today I'm using king oyster mushroom, shiitake, button mushroom. First start off by washing your mushroom. You can use whatever kind you want. Next, thinly slice them. In the air fryer, add your desired amount of chili pepper. You want it more spicy, add more. If you want less, add less. So this dish is a salty umami dish, meaning that there's no right or wrong way. You're gonna add what you like and what you don't like. So in the air fryer, add your desired amount of peppers, mushroom, garlic, and shallots. And depending how big your air fryer is, you might have to do it 1 or 2 more times. You don't want to overcrowd things. Now this is gonna go in the air fryer for 375 at 15 minutes. Once complete, you're gonna smash it into a paste in a pestle or mortar. If you don't have this, you can use the blender. So now you're just gonna add fish sauce, spedak, and MSG to taste. Mix and combine well and you're done. This is your sign to get some Lao spicy mushroom dipping sauce. Jeow Het. For those who never had this, the flavors are spicy, garlicky, salty, a little bit pungent, and savory. This is eaten with glutinous sticky rice, which offsets the saltiness. So delicious with veggies and barbecue meats. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this content, you can support me by hitting that subscribe button. Wow, look at that. Follow for more.